In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a PowerPoint presentation. Welcome everyone. Whether you're prepping for a big meeting, studying for a class, or simply reviewing some slides from a friend, PowerPoint presentations are a cornerstone of sharing information. But if you're new to it, or just need a quick refresher, you might be wondering how to get started. No worries, I've got you covered. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint. Now this might seem straightforward, but remember it's the Microsoft PowerPoint application you need, not just any program that handles presentations. Once you've located it on your computer, click or double click on its icon to open the application. If this is your first time or you rarely use it, you might find it under the Microsoft Office folder, or by searching for it in your computer's search bar. Upon opening, PowerPoint usually greets you with a range of options, including templates for creating new presentations. But for now, let's focus on viewing an existing presentation. Now on to the next step, opening your file from the opening screen. When you start PowerPoint, you're typically met with a panel that showcases recent documents and templates for new presentations. But there's also an Open option. Clicking on Open presents you with different places from which you can choose your file. This could be from your computer's internal storage or a cloud service like OneDrive if you have it set up. Navigate through your folders until you find the PowerPoint presentation you wish to view. Select it and click Open again. The file will then load up on your screen, ready for you to view. However, merely opening your file does not immediately start the show. For that, we move on to our final step, beginning the actual presentation. There are a couple of ways to do this, but let's focus on two of the simplest methods. The first method involves pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Yes, it's that simple, just one button press and you're ready to go. Pressing F5 takes you directly into the slideshow mode from the beginning of your presentation. If you're more inclined to use the mouse or trackpad, look for the play button. This is typically located in the top left corner of your screen within the PowerPoint interface. It looks like a typical play icon, a right-facing arrow inside a circle. Clicking this button also starts your slideshow from the beginning. Now, as your presentation begins, it's worth mentioning a few helpful tips. The most important controls to remember are how to advance to the next slide and go back to the previous one. This can usually be done with the arrow keys on your keyboard. The right arrow key or the spacebar will take you to the next slide, and the left arrow key will bring you back one. If you ever need to exit the slideshow before it's finished, you can press the SC escape key on your keyboard. This will take you back to the normal view of PowerPoint, where you can make edits or choose to close the program. And just like that, you're ready to view any PowerPoint presentation like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to open up PowerPoint and experiment with different presentations. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with navigating and controlling your slideshows. I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with viewing PowerPoint presentations easily and efficiently. Remember, these steps are just the beginning. PowerPoint is a powerful tool with a lot of depth, so there's always more to learn and explore. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.